Hello people and welcome back to onDashcam channel, a channel that features only the craziest and most entertaining road moments captured on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with a careless driver who was reversing while only looking at his side view mirrors. Check out what happened next.
Jesus!
Did I hit you, boss?
A little bit. You gotta look in your mirror.
In the side mirror.
You got a rear view too for a reason.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Van driver was speeding way too much for his own good in this narrow street, and because of that, he hit the biker. Check out this horrific crash and make sure to write me your opinion about it. Rude drivers are all around us, and in this video, we have a biker who used the turning lane to pass the rest of the traffic and even run a red light. This is why you should never use high beams in traffic, because you can never know how distracting it can be to other drivers.
Ooh.
Oh, what happened?
Far from it, actually. Ooh.
Oh, what happened?
We didn't get to get pizza this time, did we?
No, we didn't.
No.
Fuck, we did it. Oh my god.
Are you in right lane? I don't want you in right lane right now. No. What the? Oh.
Pay attention at the crazy driver in front of the camera here. Not only was he way too late in making a turn, but he was making an illegal U-turn there.
What are you doing, you don't you? Try and do a U-turn. Wow, I already say, man, you were a fucking bit of a dick, aren't you? Try and come inside over there. What are you doing there? You knobhead. What time have you seen ambulance anywhere? Okay. Alright. Well, that's well done. Driven down pavement and yeah. Oh, fantastic that. Jesus Christ! Fuck!
Truck drivers are usually regarded as professionals on the road, and the rest of the drivers look up to them when it comes to driving, since they dedicate their whole lives behind their wheels. But in this video, we'll see some of the most epic fails when it comes to semi-truck drivers, and in this video in particular, we'll see how badly and poorly they park.
Oh my god.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on onDashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes, because after all, that's the purpose of this channel, to learn simply by observing the fails other drivers make. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that will really mean a lot to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. And until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.